Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh once again with you from Jaisalmer today, and I'm going to discuss with you Oracle 10G basics. First video lecture we consider the string functions, on which we consider uh, substring, lower, upper, and uh, L pad and R pad. That means the padding from left hand side and padding from right hand side. See, and also we consider the length function, which retrieves the length of the given, uh, and as well as we consider the view table, which is temporary table of one row and one column provided by Oracle. Now today we also consider string function that are left the past video lecture, that is Ltrim and Rtrim. Okay, so these are the file we consider: string function, view table, length, substring function, then upper, lower, init cap, lpad and rpad. So today we are increasing the functions of string function, that is Ltrim function and Rtrim function. Okay, you uh, get the word trimming. Like we are going to barber shop and tell him to trim our hairs. So that is very relevant to trimming characters from left hand side or from the right hand side. Okay, like uh, in database, we usually give the uh, field name like product ID, like P101, P102, 103, as well as, and at the time we are showing that record, we must have to uh, deploy these or subtract that characters from left hand side or right hand side. So we only want to show the 101, 102, etc. So we can use these functions to only show the data correctly at the view level. But in the schema level, or we can say in the database, they are almost unchanged. So Ltrim is trimming the string from the left hand side, and by um, the trimmed character, we also have to provide the trimmed character, like the syntax of the trim is Ltrim str in here, in angle bracket str, and sub str, from which we want to trim that character or character. Okay, we are giving here characters. So like we doing, select Ltrim ELEPHANT, as we consider in past video lecture, elephant, and E character from the left hand side from dual tip, and the result will be Ltrim, and the result will be like this: LEPHANT. Okay, so let's try on the Oracle 10G Express Editions terminal. Select Ltrim, our string is elephant, and the trimmed character is from the temporary table provided by Oracle 10G. So our result is shown to us. If we want to trim the first three letters, then only the three letters from the left hand side will be trimmed. The trim function also can be applied from the right hand side. So we are doing this Ltrim to Rtrim. For right hand side we are trimming that, and we are trimming it from T character. So the T will be removed. What will happen if we give the E character? So elephant will be as usual. So first of all, from the right hand side, the character will be founded, then it will be trimmed. Okay. So now moving on to the real table and check it. What will be happen if we are going with the functions Ltrim and Rtrim. So select making it visible so that you can see what will be written here. Select start from employee master. Okay, that is a good enough table so that we can check it. Okay, so there is a employee ID here written with a letter E. Okay, so we want to trim this character from the right hand side. So select Ltrim EID comma E character. Okay, from dual. Okay, so foreign ID. The ID is a field, so we must have to give the EID. Okay, solid identify EID. So check it with the description command. Description employee master. The first is EID. That is good enough. ID. Dual. Okay, so dual cannot be applied here. Employee master table. We are looking forward to employee master table. So the ID are applied like this, and if we want to remove the 00 also, then ID will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we can uh, we can uh, we can check the e name, e age, e salary, e city with this: e name, e age, e city, and e salary. This. Okay. So we can also make it to right trim. Also we can pad it the characters as you can see that e name are aligned from the left hand side, e city are aligned from the left hand side, but the e salary are not aligned. So then we can manage them by the lpad and rpad function of a string, and as well as onto characters from left hand side, or either from right hand side we can use the alpha. So that's all for this class. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and conceptually your knowledge will become much stronger than before. I hope you will like my video. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.